So now we are going to move on to how to add a new plugin via the automatic method. So you might be wondering, what's the difference between adding a new plugin via the manual method and the automatic method? So installing a plugin via the automatic method simply means that you do not need to download and upload, unlike the manual method, before you install a new plugin. So what I'm trying to say is that if you want to add a new plugin via the automatic method, so all you have to do is go to plugins. So when you click on plugins, then click on add new. So previously, if you want to upload a new plugin, if you want to add a new plugin via the manual method, we have to click on upload. But if you are using the automatic method, so you are going to see once you are going to see some featured plugins from here, which is since your website is connected to the WordPress servers, so you are going to see from here. So we have the featured plugins here. We have the classic editor, the Akismet spam protection, Jetpack W security, classic widget, Gutenberg health check, BP press, Booty press, rollback, update failure, and the likes. You can also click on the popular tab to discover plugins that are actually popular from the section. So you have these contact form, which are installed on over 5 million plus active website. So we have Yoast, we have Elementor, website builder, we have classic editor, really simple SSL, contact forms, Yoast duplicate photo, WordPress importer, and all the likes. You can also see recommended plugins from here. And if you have you can say recommended plugin, and if you have a particular plugin in mind that you want to install, so you can use the search button here, the search box here, and let's say I want to install something like Slider. I want to add a Slider plugin, so you just click on Slider and you press enter to search for a Slider plugin. So from there you'll be able to, and here you can see different plugins that you can use for Slider. So let's say I want to make use of this smart slider, so all I have to do is you can either click on the name to browse more details about the plugin. So when you click on the name, you're going to find more information about the plugins. You can even send screenshot from here, so you can see this is a screenshot of how the slider actually looks like. So this is a screenshot, and if you are comfortable with the plugin, so you can click on install now. So when you click on install now, it's going to install the plugin on your website, and once the installation is done, you're going to see something like activate here. So that means that the plugin has already been installed, but currently now it's still installing. So we wait a little bit for the installation to complete. So we're still waiting for the installation to complete. So now that the installation is completed, so you can see something like an activate button. So when you click on activate, then you would now have the plugin installed as well as activated on your site. So that's how to so you can see plugin activated, and you can find the plugin here. So Smart Slider. So now I have the Everest forms installed via the manual method, and I have the Smart Slider installed via the automatic method. So that is all about that on how to install and activate a plugin through the automatic method.